Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm just going to build an app, a sequencer app that annoys you forever. So let's get started. And here are the steps. First, I'm going to import the module. Second, I'm going to create the app window. Third, I'm going to create the label in the button. And fourth, I'm going to make a command. And finally, fifth, we're gonna make annoying commands, annoying functions that will activate the annoying commands. So let's get into it. And I was gonna destroy the window right here, but I got an idea and I'm going to save it. Let's test it. Oh wait, I gotta hack the button or show the button. And here, I don't know. Okay. Okay. What? What? No, what? Okay. Now let's read the second annoying command. Hmm. Yeah, I got a good idea. Yes, ChatGPT, good idea. Mm. And I forgot to input random. Random. Exit. 0 to 100. And from Y, button place. Yep. Then we just need to do this. Button. Let's try it. we created the first button, but we can't click it, so let's fix it and add another button. Okay. Oh, what? Yeah, you can't click the button anymore. I mean, click the first button. But let's make it more annoying. Let's do this. Move button. Yeah, let's create another button. I mean, let's make it for the button 2. There, make but um button that context. We need to do let's see height. Let's put it in a for loop. While true, while true button dot context height equals to 1 and width equals to 1. Well, we're just gonna do that. We're just gonna update that. So let's do this. So we're gonna do grow plus plus equal to 1. Height equals to grow. Width equals to grow. Good. Comma. I forgot a comma. Now let's run it. Yeah. No, I forgot. I forgot this. Button 2 that binds. Enter. Enter. Stop. And let's try. So it says that. Oh my god, I just saw it. A 0%. Yeah, I'm fixing this by hand. I'm going to ChatGPT. I don't know this. No, no, no. Global grow plus 1, button. The counter will grow, height grow. Now let's try it. And oh, Yeah, I'm gonna give the full code to ChatGPT. Wait, I'm sorry. Good. I believe this is gonna work. Yes. Bro, stop. Stop. Oh, it just keeps going. Wow. Good. That's what I want. And I also forgot to mention that we need to config the um the button that runs away. You can also do activate. We can activate and also change the window color. Window dot config bg equals to red. Let's try this. Oh no, why am I? Yeah, that's okay. The most annoying app ever. Stop. So, yeah, I can click that. Um, yeah, all the messages, and yes, the background changes. But anyways, bye guys.